Oh no!
Hey there, amazing folks. Whether you're a loyal subscriber or just browsing, let's chat about something super exciting, becoming a member of my YouTube channel. By joining, you'll dive into a treasure trove of breathtaking videos on Plasticity 3D and recently Blender as well. Ever wanted to learn how to build a AAA game asset from scratch? Or maybe you're reaching to render in Marmoset for your portfolio? Well, you're in the right place, guys. So, do you want to level up your skills and start selling your own courses? Or are you just cool with studying forever? No judgment here. Studying is great, it's just fine. But at some point, you've gotta take that leap. Here, I've got all the tools, tips and tricks that work like a catapult for you, launching you towards your dreams. Okay? Imagine creating and selling your own courses, generating a passive income that lets you not just scrape by, but thrive. So what are you waiting for? Join my channel and enjoy the best narrated video tutorials on Plasticity 3D, Marmoset, and so much more. You will learn about textile density and wrapping and how to clean up your mesh like a pro before exporting it. And trust me, there is a whole lot more waiting for you. Let's make your creative dream and reality together. Okay? Join me on an exciting journey into the world of 3D art by becoming a member of my channel. You'll gain access to exclusive tutorials on Plasticity 3D and Blender, where you can learn to create stunning game assets and render like a pro. Whether you want to sell your own courses or just enhance your skills, you've got the tools and tricks to help you succeed. Don't miss out. Let's unlock your creative potential together.